Hey everyone, Wireless Productions here. We just got this QuickTime bell housing delivered to us. It is RM-8074, a small block Mopar or Gen 3 Hemi. The bell housing pattern is the same to T56 transmission, Dodge Viper T56 or a T56 Magnum. This is the same transmission bell housing that we use in the CUDA, and we picked this one up for our future Challenger project. As you can see, the packaging is brand new, still taped up. We just got it yesterday, and we're just going to open it now to show you guys what comes in the box, and to our customers who've already ordered one, who are wondering what they get, what kind of hardware they get with the bell housing. So here goes. Open it with my trusty Benchmade knife. These bell housings are made of high strength steel. They're SFI certified, made in US by QuickTime. Holly owns them now. So let me just move the camera. But should be in real great shape. So there it is. I'll give you a closer view. There's the part number 8074 F18S. There it is, F18S. So there's the bell housing itself. I'll take it out and work down. This thing's heavy. There it is. There's the bell housing itself. And then there's some hardware that comes with it. All the hardware you need. And then the mid plate that bolts between the bell housing and the block itself. Comes with 2 stickers. And then some instructions. So, pretty good kit. There's an SFI sticker. So, we sell all these bell housings. We can get other bell housings as well from QuickTime. We are a QuickTime dealer. We work with a Tremec Elite distributor that hooks us up. So it's a nice solid mid plate that it comes along with. Gold iridite steel plated. Like I said, we're a QuickTime dealer. Here's all the hardware that goes to the block, I think. There's some other hardware here. There's another sticker right there. And then here's all the schematics of it. So here's the instructions and all that. So I'll flip through the pages so you guys can pause and check out. There's alignment procedure. Oh, this is for the clutch fork. You're not going to use that with a hydraulic version. So there's just some schematics for GM and Ford. This is the Mopar one, the one that really matters. The 8074. As I said, we can get these shipped directly from QuickTime, drop shipped from them. You can get your own through our website, wirelesspro.com. Give us a shout. We have the best pricing for these bell housings, and we'll hook you up. Thanks. Bye.